Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with another video on how to start a print-on-demand business. We'll be talking about design by human. We'll be talking about how to set up an account, and it may be in 1 or 2 videos where we'll set up an account and then also go ahead and create our first product. I am also going to make a purchase from this website, and I'll make sure I do an unboxing review on that as well. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. I'm going to go ahead to the website and I'm going to show you guys how to sign up. Here is the homepage. I do understand that this website is more of artistic, lots of graphic, lots of designs. They also have like fan shops and things for Marvel and things like that you can design for. They also have like brands you can design for that have like fan shops. You'll go over to this button and hit open store, and you will go in and create your store. So I've already created one because a lot of times things happen. I've already created one, but I'm going to show you guys how to sign up for this. I am signing up for a new shop. I put in whatever my shop name will be. It's Dear Military Spouse, created a password, put in my email address, and it says what best describes me. I'm probably going to put a YouTuber, and then I'll put like my YouTube link in here, and then it'll ask me to agree to the terms and do the cachet, so I'm not a robot. And then you hit apply now. What happens is you'll get a page like this, which I did as well. It says success, your application is being reviewed. You will get a response in 1 business day. So it was not 1 business day for me, but right away I did get this email just basically that said, hello, welcome to Designs by Human. You've signed up and joined the community. But the next day that I went back, it said that they were still reviewing my application. I happened to go on there today and to sign in, and it was giving me the options to go ahead and activate my store. I would say it was maybe about 3 days. I'm not sure because I didn't get an email saying I was approved. I just happened to go on the website and try to log in. Now I am going to go ahead and log into the actual account that has already gotten approved. Of course, I wanted to make sure that I was approved, but also I wanted to make sure that I could show you guys how to sign up for an account. Now I'm going to log into the account that is already approved. We can go through the steps of activating your shop. Now I'm going to log in, and here, this is what happened. There was this button that said activate your store, activate your shop, and I hit it. So you won't see that here. This is what happens now after I hit activate your shop, because it was up there for a while, but I think once I logged out, it was no longer there. So here it shows like your store, and it has store themes and things like that. But I only got here because obviously I hit the activate your store, because I was like, oh, I'm approved, but I didn't get anything. So before all of this stuff was here, it just said activate your store. So you're not missing anything, but you will see that button. This is the store. It says edit your store theme, add a banner, things like that. You can edit the theme. I really like black and white stuff. I think I really want a simple layout. You can do, is it product preview? I would rather a photo. User information, love for them to show it. So I hit save, and it's reloading the page to update what I just wanted. So I can add a banner. So 1200 by 300. So I just did a simple banner here with the size, and I'm going to go ahead and hit add banner. And I just downloaded that. Going to upload that and see. Looks really good. It says you can drag it to position. Oh, but I don't think I really need to. I'm going to hit save. That looks good to me. I think I can put in a profile picture. Let's see. Nope. All right, so now that I added the store theme, I'm going to go back here and go to store settings. Let you guys know this is my first time going through this. In store settings, I did my theme, I added my banner, and this is information on how to get paid. I am going to go ahead and put in my information, my PayPal address, and then I'm going to hit save and continue. All right, so I hit save and continue, and now I can add in social media accounts. I'll go ahead and put in my YouTube, and I'll put in my Instagram, and I'll put in my Pinterest. I think I also have a Tumblr under Coins and Connections as well. Oh, I do have Facebook, duh, and Twitter. I forgot this was my Coins and Connections account. I have all of those, which I put in. Don't really have Google and all that stuff. I'll put in the website. This is good. It gives you a lot of options for your social media accounts. So go ahead and save that. And now we're to the point where we can add the first product. I'm going to end this video right here. The next video will be uploading your first product to Design by Humans. I hope so far you guys felt like this process was super easy. I went through those steps to set up, to ask for a store. You have to go through approval. Once you get approved, you log in and you hit activate your shop, and then you can go through the theme section. You can add your banner, and then you can go to your store settings, and you get where we are. We can go ahead and add our first product. If there's anything else that needs to be set up, you'll see that in the second video. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.